Welcome to the Recon Trader. In today's video, I will share with you the results of the Binance crypto trading grid bot on the USDT futures platform. Now, the bot has been running for about 5 days, and I was trading ETH USDT perpetual contracts on the Binance futures platform. And you can see this big sell-off on ETH over the last few hours, and it is starting to bounce up. And so the way the bot actually works is on the way up, it shorts the positions, and I deployed this bot. It was before the big run up towards its new highs of the year. And as it ran up, it was placing short orders, and I would actually profit when it would sell off. And as it moved back up and it hit these red lines, which are the limit orders for the short, the bot would open new short orders and then sell off. Well, I actually did pretty well once we rolled over and sold off. Once all my short orders were filled, and so once I was out of all my short orders on the way down, it started to buy and accumulate ETH long positions. And for instance, on this move here, each time it hit a green bar, it would accumulate ETH. And now that we're moving back up, it starts selling off the ETH. And so what that looks like in open positions now, you can see I'm green on the symbol, meaning I'm in long positions. And I currently hold 0.2 ETH. And right now the P&L is $13. And that is actually a 57% increase. And if I jump over to the actual grid trading platform. From the grid trading platform, obviously I could set up a grid, which I already have. So I'm going to click on my active grid and I can view the details of the grid. And my total investment's $1,000. Realized profit is $43 so far. Total profits is $43. I deployed this with a leverage of 9x. My initial margin was only $115. I set the grids at 70 grids, and per order is only 0.013 ETH, with a price range of $800 to $1,400. And then profit per grid, I was shooting for 0.76% profit per grid. And with that setting, and this being deployed on the 6th of January 2021, you can see the create time down here, January 6, 2021. It's been running for 5 days, 22 hours, and it has completed 645 trades. And so the bot currently total profit is $54 or 47%. And so right now the bot is up over 40% in 5 days. And in part, that is due to this big sell-off and the fact that it started shorting. I was able to take advantage of these pullbacks and profit from each pullback. And so on the run up, I was profiting both on the run up and on the short side as well. And obviously this big sell off helped tremendously. And now that it's starting to rebound a little bit, even if it pulls back and hits one of these green lines, you'll see it will fill an order. And as it moves back up, it'll take that 0.76% profit, as I configured the bot for a profit per grid of 0.76%. And if you didn't see the video on how I configured this bot, I'll leave a link down below. Also, you can check out my playlist. And with that all being said, I think that's pretty much going to wrap it up. I just wanted to do a quick update. Since this was a new bot and a new feature to Binance, I wanted to deploy the bot and get you guys a quick update on how it's performing. So if you liked the video, do me a favor and spike a like. Also, be sure to shoot that subscribe button, as I will be doing more update videos and I will be configuring other bots in the future. So if you don't want to miss out on those videos, shoot that subscribe button. If you have any questions or comments, be sure to leave those in the comment box down below. And in closing, remember, never send your money into battle without first doing your recon. See you in the next video.